Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can reset your search suggestion on Instagram. For this you need to click on your profile picture at the bottom right of your screen and then click on the three line at the top right. From over here at the top where it says search, you want to search for search. Once you search for search, it's going to show you search history. Click on it. Then it's going to take you to this page. Over here at the bottom, click on clear all searches and click on all time and choose clear all searches. Once you do that, all of your search will be cleared. Now you should not get any suggestion. If you're still getting suggestion when you're typing on your Instagram, what you can do is this. Just close your Instagram and delete your Instagram. If you delete your Instagram app and reinstall it again, your Instagram will totally be resetted. Then you should not be getting any search suggestion on Instagram. That's the second method. The third method is just like complaining Instagram. Click on your profile picture at the bottom right, click on the three line at the top right, scroll all the way down and you can see this option called help. Click on it. Click on report a problem, click on report problem without shaking at the bottom, and then over here click on don't include and continue and write your problem here. You can basically write, I'm getting search suggestions, can you help me remove it? I don't want any search suggestion. After writing that, click on send at the top right, and then Instagram staff will view your issue and they'll help you fix your problem. That's how you guys can fix this issue. Hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.